Today's video is sponsored by EcoFlow. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. So this afternoon, I topped off the fuel tanks on both tractors. I filled up the excavator and the skid loader as well. I then took my transfer tank and filled it up, which cost me, I think it was $529. It wasn't completely empty, but almost. I think that tank holds about 96 gallons, but it's a good feeling when all the equipment's filled up and you got a tank full of fuel. You know, it's best to be prepared. And speaking of being prepared, I have something to show you right now. So check this out. This is the EcoFlow Wave. This is a portable air conditioner, 4,000 BTU. We're going to talk about this in just a minute. I want to show you these other two products from EcoFlow first. We have done a couple sponsored videos in the past for EcoFlow, and it was not a situation where we used the product for a video and then put it on a shelf, never to be seen again. We use both of these all the time. Matter of fact, the other night we had the big 4th of July party, and we used this Delta Max power station to power our Big Bose sound system. We ran it for probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours. I know because we used it even before the party started, and it works great. You just set it down there in the yard with the sound system. Didn't have to run a bunch of extension cords, and it's down to 87%, and that is after running that sound system for 6 or 7 hours. Then a few weeks ago, we had a power outage for probably 4 or 5 hours. I was over working in the building. I was actually working on the chicken coop right there, and I needed to charge some of my DeWalt 20-volt VMAX batteries. I used this unit at that time. Also charged Hunter's iPad, my phone, Melissa's phone. Used it all evening. Power came back on. Plugged it back in. Charged it up. It was ready to go again. Now the River Mini, I use this. I keep one in my truck, actually. I keep this in the truck. And like when I went to Colorado on a hunting trip, now we stayed in a cabin, but you know, everybody has something to plug in anymore. Flashlights, headlamps, cameras, phones, all that kind of stuff. Everything I needed was right here. When we were charging, you know, driving down the road, I could charge this unit in the truck. When we stayed at the cabin, I plugged my cameras in, my cell phone. You can even set your phone right up here, charge it wirelessly. But I do love both of these products, and we use them all the time. Great for emergency situations or the job site as well. So EcoFlow makes eco-friendly power solutions that allow you to have power in any location, no matter how remote. They were founded by leading creators in the drone industry. EcoFlow makes lightweight, portable power solutions that can be used for home backup, outdoor adventures, and on-the-job needs. EcoFlow portable power solutions are thoughtful in design and deliver smart and powerful energy storage products. The EcoFlow Wave is the team's newest portable power solution, providing air conditioning for small areas, like camping, van life, or off-grid living. I think I already mentioned, but the Wave has 4,000 BTUs of cooling capacity with an inverter compressor. Can lower the temperature from 86 degrees to 75 degrees in just 8 minutes. Now this one here has the big battery pack on the bottom, And you can charge this thing 4 different ways: wall socket, power station, outlet in your car, or solar panels. Here's where you can charge it right here. I've got this big battery on the bottom plugged in. This whole thing slides off of this battery. The battery is this whole piece across the bottom. This is where you plug it into the wall, plug the solar panels in. Many different ways to charge this up. Or you can run it directly right out of your house if you'd like. All right, we're going to turn it on. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to change this 23C to something that I can understand here. I'm going to hold down the temperature button for a few seconds. Boom, there it is, 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, surprisingly, for as small as it is, this fan heck, I'm probably 8-9 feet away from it right now, and I can still feel that fan blowing cold air. Now the warm air, it comes out the back right up here. This is the inlet. This is where it takes the air in. Now it also comes with these right here. Some hoses, a drain pipe. The drain plug is right here. You can plug your drain pipe right into that. This mounts right on the back, like so. So if you wanted to use this efficiently in like a tent or a cabin or something, you could hook your drain line up to it, run it outside, inlet and outlet hoses, and just seal up around the window that you put it in, and it would work very efficiently. Now we'll be using this quite a bit down in West Virginia on that property we bought. All 3 of these units actually. We always have a lot of different things to charge, but I'll be honest, I really like air conditioning, especially the older I get. Maybe I'm just getting soft, I don't know, but I actually talked about it in a video the other day. I was out brush hogging in the tractor. It was about 85 degrees and humid, and I mentioned how nice it was to have a cab with air conditioning and temperatures like that. This is no different than that. Say we're down at that property in West Virginia working all day, and we're going to camp there that night. This would be really handy to have on those hot days. Heck, I may just carry this thing in the truck when you go into a hot restaurant, pull this bad boy out and set it right on the table. But I'm telling you, this feels, I wish you could feel this. It feels fantastic. Blowing very cold air. That's impressive for something that size. It really is. Something else that is really nice, you've got an app on your phone right here. There's the EcoFlow wave right there. It has a set temperature of 68 degrees. You can adjust it if you just want fan or cool, eco mode. I've got 98% battery left in it. Very, very nice. Now the battery pack there on the bottom, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous running time, and you can extend that to 8 hours of running time by using the time mode, which helps the unit alternate between cooling and fan settings. You could also push that run time up to 5 or 6 hours using the Delta Max along with it. So I think that 3-hour run time on the battery is pretty accurate. It's been running for a good 20 minutes, maybe even a half hour, and it's showing right here 2.4 hours left on this battery. So yeah, I think the EcoFlow Wave is pretty cool, and yes, I did say that, and I will report back with more information when we start using this down in West Virginia. The EcoFlow Wave is a great addition to your travel kit, especially as we head into the warmer summer weather. Head to my link in the description to check it out.